Good morning all. Welcome you all in this video. This is the part 2 of tenses. In continuation of that we will start present continuous tense where it is used activities that are happening just now. I am playing golf now. Second, temporary activities happening about this time. We are staying at the hotel this week. Definite future arrangement. He is moving to Leeds tomorrow. Now, see simple past tense, simple past tense, repeated action in the past. We worked in Seattle last week. Second, an action completed in the past. I had a shower in the morning. Events that follow each other. Bill came home. He took off his coat and went to the kitchen. Now see, next, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, an action that started before another action in the past and continued after it. When she saw him, I was looking at the trees. An action that started before a point in time and continued after it. At 8 o'clock, Jenny was doing her homework. To describe situation, the sun was shining. Jack and Jill were lying on the beach. Now next is future simple tense. Simple future tense, or we can say future indefinite tense. General intentions. He will change his job. Prediction or opinion. The horse will win. Decisions or offers made at the moment of speaking. I will take you home. No, thank you. We will take a taxi. Future continuous tense. Activities that will be progress at a point of time. This time tomorrow we will be lying on the beach. Routine activities that will happen in the normal course of events. Everybody will be working on a computer sooner or later. Simple present perfect activities that started in the past and still continue. There we will use present perfect tense. Experience that happened in the past but the effects are important now. She has been to London. Activities that have a present result. The bus hasn't arrived yet. Present perfect continuous tense. Events that begin at a point of time are continuing now and we will probably continue in the future. I have been playing tennis since I was 6 years old. Actions that begin in the past and have only just finished. I have been skiing all day. I am so tired. Simple past tense. An event that was completed before another event. The doorbell rang at last. I had been in the room since breakfast. Activities that were completed before a point of time. In 2005, I had lived in the same place for 10 years. Now see structure. Simple or positives. Subject plus V1 plus object. Negative subject plus do or does not plus V1 first form object. Interrogative do or does plus subject first form of the verb plus object. Do I play Ludo? Simple or positive, as we have discussed it yesterday. Simple positive has or have plus verb की third form. I have played Ludo. Negative, I haven't played Ludo. Interrogative, has या have comes in the beginning. Have I played Ludo? Simple or positive continuous tense. Subject plus has been, have been, visiting, playing Ludo. Negative, I have not been playing Ludo. Have I been playing Ludo? Simple past tense. subject plus V2 plus object, I played Ludo. Negative, subject plus did not play Ludo. Did plus subject plus V1, did I play Ludo. Subject was ya. So in this video we will discuss present and past tense. Thank you, students.